Hello, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are all doing well. So this video is all about my favorites from Amazon. Amazon has many varieties of products and currently they are going on Great Indian Festival sale. So इस month का favorite products मैं आपके लिए लेके आई हूँ. So without further ado, let's get started. First and the foremost product is a hair product. This is my recent favorite shampoo. Like perfect shampoo for dry hairs, dry hairy people. Am I right? So look at my hair, like you can see ये मैंने सेटिंग नहीं किया है, मैंने हेयर सेटर यूज नहीं किया है, ना कुछ ड्रायर यूज नहीं किया है, बट इट इज सो सॉफ्ट. So you can see this is the result of using this shampoo. This is from L'Oreal Paris Glycolic Gloss Extra Gloss Shampoo. 3% glycolic acid complex hair. This is for dull and porous hair. My hair is too colored and length भी कम है, तो my hair is too dry. But after using this product, I have to say it is superb, 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 superb. This is my second bottle. For the record, I'm going to purchase one more bottle. This is so good. This is to die for. इसका violet color का variant जो है, I think glycolic acid का नहीं है. I think something like that. इसका दूसरा variant मैंने use किया है. उस much better. I felt so. This is more better than that. I don't know why, but I feel like that. And मैंने use किया है. This is a must recommended product. Everyone should use it. I think this is paraben and sulfate free, I guess. I don't know. This comes with this bottle. इसका variant है. This is 200 ml. Just try it out. This is of 239 rupees, but Amazon में offers है, तो around 200 rupees या below 200 rupees you'll get the product, and do check it out. Next one is a body wash. As winter is here in Delhi, so I need something which is moisturizing and also fragrance should be good. So I already have tried their hand wash, so मुझे brand पे trust है. This is Palmolive Luminous Oil Rejuvenating Shower Gel Fig and White Orchid का है. This smells like heaven. This is so good. इसका lather formation is also good and it is very very soft on skin. This is my third bottle. Can you just imagine? मैं इतना loyal हो चुका हूँ इसके साथ. Like this is my third bottle. This is so nice, so great smell. Like not so floral, not so floral, not so fruity, something in between. This I have to say this will last this fragrance on your body will last for at least 8 hours. Trust me, at least 8 hours इसका fragrance चलता है, especially you have more sweating और underarms में जो भी ज़्यादा sweating और smell आता है, perfume से ज़्यादा, मतलब I think this works as a deodorant also for me at least. And consistency, everything is so nice. बेस्ट पार्ट ये है कि बहुत ही लॉन्ग लास्टिंग है. डू चेक इट आउट. So next product is a perfume, and I am a perfume lover. So I was just scrolling through Amazon and then found this gem. This is very underrated product, but this I tried. I thought of giving it a try because this was on sale. I think I got it under 800 rupees, but ओरिजिनल प्राइस 1000 के आसपास आता है. 799 पे मिला है मुझे. सो आई थॉट आई शुड ट्राई इट आउट. ऑफर में है तो. दिस इज सीक्रेट एल्केमिस्ट perfume in the variant Madurai Jasmine. This never smells like jasmine. This smells something else. I thought that nostalgic smell आता है jasmine का, but no, this smells divine, just like that liquid का जो perfume है, मेरा previous video जिसने देखा है पता है, same smell है, but this is काफ़ी long lasting. Like it might last you for more than 10 hours. And this is a clean perfume. Clean perfume means unwanted chemicals नहीं डाला है इसमें. and alcohol free, I guess. And it has top notes of orange blossom, and middle note have Indian jasmine, and base has vanilla. So it is perfect fruity, florally, and woody smell. Tino cheese is mixed. That's so good. It doesn't has that strong fragrance. It has something intermediate, but it stays long. Do check it out. Last two products are lip products. First and the foremost one is from Maybelline. Maybelline ka lip Teddy Tin. This is going viral. I have already made a video on this. Maybelline New York Superstay Teddy Tin. इसका न्यू वेरिएंट आया है 60 कूल ग्रंज. मैंने ऑलरेडी इसका कंसिस्टेंसी ट्राई किया है. फॉर पिगमेंटेड स्किन, पिगमेंटेड लिप्स, दिस इज अ नो नो. बट इफ यू आर इनटू अ less pigmented, tin like प्रोडक्ट चाहिए जिसको थोड़ा सा लाइट मेकअप में जाना है, then you can try it out. This color is so good. This has, this is something like Barbie pink. Let me show you. See, perfect pink. It can be used as my blush. Oh, see, बहुत लॉन्ग लास्टिंग है, बहुत ज़्यादा लॉन्ग लास्टिंग है. दैट इज़ अ मेन थिंग. इट लास्ट फॉर एटलीस्ट 12 hours, मोर देन 12 hours. इवन इफ यू ईट, ड्रिंक एनीथिंग, दिस इज गोइंग टू स्टे. आई लाइक द कंसिस्टेंसी. आई डोंट नो अबाउट अदर्स. बहुत सारे लोगों को पसंद नहीं है, बट पर्सनली आई लाइक दिस वेरिएंट. So this is 60 Cool Crunch. Do check it out. Last and the final product is what I'm wearing. This lipstick. Can you see the color? This is transfer proof, smudge proof, super long lasting. Long lasting मतलब at least 8 hours टिकते हैं. The consistency is to die for. ये mousse like texture है, just not matte, dry matte. This is mousse like texture, so it don't dry out your lips. I have a very dry lips, but it never dries out my lips. That is the best thing. Only problem is that कि थोड़ा सा ये ऑक्सीडाइज हो जाता है, तो दैट इज अ डिफरेंस, कलर डिफरेंस हो जाता है. This is from Inside Cosmetics, no smudge lip color. The consistency is so good. You should try it out. ये 200 rupees की अंदर आ जाते हैं, मे बी कम, बिकॉज there is sale going on. This is in this variant 7 Domination Republic. I'll show you the color. Look at the color. I'll show you the texture once. See, so pigmented, so damn pigmented. This is more light variant. This is like muted red. Perfect nude color for every Indian skin tone. Like it looks so reddish brownish shade on me, but थोड़ा डार्क स्किन के लिए बहुत अच्छा म्यूटेड न्यूड कलर होगा. एंड ऑल्सो मीडियम टू डार्क स्किन के लिए इट्स बी अ न्यूड कलर. दिस इज so good. I'll recommend to everyone who's watching this video. I think that's the end of this video. I hope you like my video. If you like my video, you know what to do. Like, share and subscribe. Follow me for more such content. Come with another video. Till then, bye bye.